Hello, everyone. Hope you are doing well. Whether you're trying to avoid distractions or simply don't want to be bothered, disabling calls is a great way to stay focused. So keep watching. In this video, I will show you how to disable calls on the Messenger app in just a few simple steps. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first of all, let's open up the Messenger app and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top left of the screen. And then when you are on this screen, scroll down until you see the notifications and sounds option, tap on it. And then what you want to do next is turn this off, so tap here. And then you can select mute notification for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, or for 24 hours. So select anything that you like from this list and then tap OK. And as you can see, all notifications are now muted, so you will not get those annoying Messenger pop-ups. So another way to disable calls on Messenger is that you have to go to your settings and then scroll down and tap on apps, and then tap on the search bar up top and search for Messenger, tap on it, and then tap on permissions, and then you have to disable permission for the camera, microphone, and phone. So tap on the camera and then tap deny, tap on the microphone, and then tap deny, and then finally tap on the phone and then tap deny. So that's going to automatically prevent you from getting calls from Facebook Messenger. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments below. If not, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step tutorial videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.